In a business interview, the three-letter acronym ERP usually triggers a conversation about software, but to stand out, you need to understand it as the solution to a systemic operational breakdown that can paralyze a company. This diagram maps the supply chain: procurement, manufacturing, and sales. Functional silos cause failure. Purchasing buys massive quantities, causing bloated inventory. Manufacturing runs huge batches, creating work-in-process backlogs. Distribution delays shipments, while sales promises impossible delivery dates. This creates a strange irony. Purchasing, manufacturing, and distribution can all perfectly hit their internal performance metrics, while the company as a whole fails due to sluggish response times and missed deadlines. Without a centralized forcing function to coordinate these independent units, a business naturally sabotages its own macro strategy. Enterprise Resource Planning, or ERP, snaps these pieces together. It's a comprehensive software approach, tightly integrates application programs across every functional unit. An ERP operates on a single shared database, demanding mathematically consistent numbers across the enterprise. Because it's integrated, transactions happen in real time. If sales enters an order, it instantly updates manufacturing requirements and finance accounts. No one manually reposts data. The company shifts from fighting over conflicting spreadsheets to operating on one single, instantly updated reality. This diagram illustrates the massive scope of an ERP application, connecting a central database to 4 core modules: finance, human resources, sales, and manufacturing. The manufacturing and logistics module is the largest, responsible for material and capacity planning to vendor management. An ERP also extends beyond internal walls to manage the external supply chain. For example, SAP, one of the largest software vendors, divides its supply chain management into 4 interlocking functions: planning, execution, collaboration, and coordination. Within the collaboration function is vendor-managed inventory, or VMI. VMI is a set of processes that allow suppliers to monitor a company's stock over the internet and trigger inventory replenishment automatically. Modern ERPs transform external vendors into a highly visible, automated extension of the company's nervous system. Data collection is currently evolving through the Internet of Things, or IoT. The IoT refers to the billions of physical devices around the world that are connected to the Internet, constantly collecting and storing data. This graphic illustrates a modern global network where physical assets, like delivery trucks, factories, and wind turbines, feed smart information directly into the digital hub, bypassing the need for human data entry. Because these intelligent devices link directly to the ERP, companies can automatically track physical assets, monitor mechanical wear, and adjust supply chain fulfillment based on continuous sensor feedback. Adding IoT upgrades the ERP from a static ledger that records the past into a live organism reacting to what is happening right now. In an executive context, an ERP system has 2 core objectives. The first is transaction processing, the efficient tracking of goods as they move through business steps. The second, higher-level objective is decision support. While the system tracks the data, it is the people who must make the decisions. These systems provide a comprehensive set of performance measures that allow managers to verify strategic alignment and make intelligent judgments about running the business. Instead of just listing software features in your interview, frame your answers around how an ERP breaks down functional silos to force cross-departmental coordination. Candidates who speak about ERPs as strategic problem solvers prove they have the executive mindset required to build a unified business.